Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the lowdown on the best products in the market. And today, we've got something essential for all your wall hanging needs: the Kurui No. 8 self-drilling drywall anchors. These anchors are making waves for good reason. They're built to be the best drywall anchors you can get your hands on. But why are they so special? Let's dive into it. First and foremost, these anchors are made from premium nylon material mixed with robust glass fibers. That means they're super hard, durable, and wear-resistant. You can trust them to hold up to 75 pounds of weight, making them ideal for a wide range of applications. Now, what sets these anchors apart is their practical design. The threads on these anchors cut deep into the material, providing a secure and pull-out resistant grip. This ensures that your items will stay firmly mounted on the wall. But here's the kicker: installation is a breeze. You don't need a pre-drilled hole. Just use a screwdriver or a screw gun, and these anchors will do the rest. And the best part? Less dust. Your walls will thank you. Whether you're hanging bathroom accessories, kitchen shelves, light fixtures, mirrors, picture frames, curtain rods, or small decorative shelves, these anchors have got you covered. They're perfect for medium-duty applications and incredibly easy to install. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what customers have to say. Customers are loving the ease of use, sturdiness, and value for money these anchors provide. They've become a go-to choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Now, you might be thinking, what's the price? Well, here's the deal. You can grab a pack of 100 anchors and screws for just $7.99. That's a steal, considering the quality and performance you're getting. And if you prefer zinc material, it's available for just $1 more at $8.99. In conclusion, if you're in need of reliable, sturdy, and easy-to-install drywall anchors, the Kurui No. 8 self-drilling drywall anchors are the way to go. They're the best in the market, and they won't break the bank. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with these anchors, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy hanging!